Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall DJ Nico Chromatic has died. Nico passed away on Tuesday evening following a long battle with kidney failure. Nico Chromatic was diagnosed with renal failure back in 2015. Last year, a GoFundMe account was created to raise funds for the disc jockey to get a life-saving transplant for his illness overseas. A number of dancehall entertainers and fans donated to the Nico Chromatic Medical Fund. Back in November of 2017, a benefit concert dubbed Dancehall for a Cause was held in Kingston, which saw a few local celebrities turning out to support the fundraising efforts.
Thank you very much. Even if we don't make it tonight, everything will be alright. You understand? You know, me have some real friends out the same way, so hold yourself. Give thanks to life. We're still there. No, God, no, we cannot blow shots, we not stay long. But because the officer there, him said, done. And you know, people, thanks in love. A million times, I swear. A million times.
Artists like Tommy Lee Sparta, Bugle and Vershawn were in attendance at the event. Nico Chromatic is one of the co-founders of the famed Chromatic sound system. E-Prime sends condolences to the family and friends of the DJ. Reggae artist Alborosie is gearing up to release his new album titled Unbreakable. Alborosie meets the Wailers United. The album will consist of 13 tracks and is produced and recorded by Alborosie and features members of the legendary band. The Unbreakable album will feature songs like Lie, Mission, Under Control, Live Conscious, among others. Alborosie recently released the 5th track of the album titled Contradiction. Reggae artist Chronix, Barris Hammond and The Cure are among the list of artists who will be featured on the album. Unbreakable is a follow-up to his previous album Freedom and Fire, which was released back in 2016. The project is slated to be released on June 29 this year. Alborosie is currently on a world tour that commenced back in April. The tour will see him making stops in Mexico City, Amsterdam, Santa Cruz, Aruba, and other cities. Reggae band Bonafide was honored at the 2018 staging of Las Vegas Taste of the Caribbean. The band received a certificate of special congressional commendation from U.S. Congresswoman Dina Titus to mark their 19th anniversary in the music business. In April, Titus journeyed to Las Vegas to honor the reggae band. She has been the United States representative for Nevada's 1st congressional district since 2013. The presentation took place during the annual Taste of the Caribbean Festival in downtown Las Vegas, which highlights the music, art and cuisine of several Latin American and Caribbean countries. In 2012, Bonafide band members contributed proceeds of their albums and tracks sold in Nevada to benefit the Southern Nevada Organization, a non-profit that serves the poor and homeless and those in crisis. The band plans to incorporate Jamaica in the Taste of the Caribbean celebrations next year. Every year in Las Vegas on April 21 will be recognized as Bonafide Reggae Day. The Taste of the Caribbean Festival takes place between April 20 and 22 yearly. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.